Welcome to Lightning Proxies. In this video, we will show you how to enable auto-renewal for your proxy plan. First, log into your Lightning Proxies dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Generator, select your desired plan, and then click Generate. On the right side of the page, click on Stripe Auto Renewal. You will see three tabs: Status, Enable, and Disable. Click on Enable to activate the auto renewal settings. Next, choose the renewal interval. You can select either hourly or daily and set how often the system should charge your account to renew your plan. Then, choose how many gigabytes you would like to add with each renewal. If you have a coupon code, you can enter it in the coupon field, and the final price will be updated automatically. Once everything is set, click Enable Auto Renewal to activate the feature. If you decide to turn it off in the future, simply go to the Disable tab and click Disable. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using Lightning Proxies.